Hello guys, welcome to Frame the Globe. In this series, you will get small but very important information to make your ABC plan successful. Make sure you watch all the video till the end.
Hi guys, we have reached ABC. Here you can see Namaste Annapurna Base Camp. Good morning. Today we are at Gandruk and we are about to start our trek. You can see the Annapurna range behind. Sunrise.
The view, as you can see, awesome. Macha Puchre is hidden right now. This is Annapurna 1
Right.
and 2.
And this is our first day. Today we will heading towards
Chomrong.
Chomrong.
5 to 6 hours of trek need to cover approx 10 kilometer.
हम लोग रुके हुए थे ये होम स्टे Cloud9 होम स्टे। यहाँ पे आप लोग आ सकते हैं और फूड वगैरह बहुत अच्छा था। रूम भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, आपको यहाँ पे गर्म पानी भी मिलता है। ओवरऑल इट्स गुड।
So we started from what is the place name? Gandruk,
Gandruk.
and going towards Chomrong. This appears to be a very steep trek.
Yeah, see the view.
See the view here. There's a long another way to go towards this way.
Hi.
Already we came till 2-3 kilometers.
There is a map. You can see we started from Gandruk and now at Komrodanga, and we will be heading towards this way, Chomrong. Chomrong is on the back side. We have to go down till there, and we'll walk through from there. If you not sure if you can see that road, up to we have to cross that hill. Behind that hill, there is Chomrong. हम लोग अभी फॉरेस्ट एरिया के थ्रू जा रहे हैं। इट्स अ डिसेंट ट्रैक नाउ। इट्स अ डाउन ट्रैक। नीचे आपको शायद रिवर क्रॉस करना है। रिवर का एक साउंड भी आ रहा है। चलते हैं। Hi. Look at the stairs. How steep it is. Look at the view, guys. We are coming all the way from there, and then we cross that river, and then we are. Hi guys, we just reached at the top of this hill, and from here view is amazing.
We will be taking a downhill journey and go to that point. I can just show you over there.
Yeah.
That is going to be
Chomrong.
Chomrong, just right over there.
Yes. We just reached Chomrong, and San is saying goodbye for the day. Sinua, Jinu is this side, Chomrong and Kimrong Kola.
Finally, we arrived at Jinu after almost 6 to 7 hours of trek.
We are not at Jinu.
Oh, sorry, we are
Chomrong.
at Chomrong. Oh, sorry. We are at Chomrong after 6 or 7 hours of trek and covering the distance of around 12 to 13 kilometers. It was 12 to 30 kilometers probably. 12 to 30 kilometers.
Okay.
So we will just wait for some time here because our porter is just, we can see there, they are coming in. So once they all are in, so we can go to the hotel and we can take a rest.
Yep.
And tomorrow we will start our onward journey to Dowan.
चोमरोंग है 2170 मीटर ऑल्टीट्यूड पे। यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारा रहने का ऑप्शन मिलता है। Here you can get stunning view of Annapurna and Machapuchhre. The reason we choose excellent view top lodge and restaurant is to get the best view among all. And later we found that varieties of food option available here. Taste was too good.
ये है कैफेटेरिया। व्यू भी आपको बहुत बढ़िया मिलता है। चलिए ऊपर चलते हैं। Hi Joel.
Hi. Hi.
You ready?
Yeah, so we completed breakfast. So now ready for trek.
मैं एक घर का दिखा देता हूँ। यहाँ पे ऐसे 3 बेड है और यहाँ पे कॉमन बाथरूम है, हॉट वाटर एज वेल, और कुछ रूम है जहाँ पे अटैच बाथरूम भी मिलेगा आपको।
जैसे ही आप ऑल्टीट्यूड गेन करते हैं तो फूड प्राइस भी वैसे ही बढ़ता जाता है। डेफिनेटली दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ अवेलेबिलिटी एंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट। लेट मी शो यू द क्विक व्यू ऑफ मेनू कार्ड।
ब्लैक टी 70, मिल्क टी 90।
Price are in Nepal currency. INR to NPR conversion rate is fixed, that is 1.5. For other currency, it may vary.
Good morning. This
morning,
is,
sir.
Good morning. And this is Mika's room, and we can Manbakta. And he's going to tell us about the why we should come to Annapurna Base Camp and what is the benefit of staying in this excellent view top lodge and restaurant. Yep.
Namaste. This is Mikas Guru, all the way from Chomrong. Excellent view top lodge.
Yeah.
So you know about Annapurna Base Camp.
Right.
You can see 360-degree mountain, and you can touch the mountain near. You can enjoy with snow, good
Right.
view, good sunrise.
Correct.
It's the most trekking destination in the world, as you know already.
Yeah.
So while like it's a 6-day hike from Pokhara,
Right.
only to Annapurna Base Camp, not Korepani. So the first day we stayed from Kandruk to here,
Okay.
and maybe let's say Pokhara to here one day.
Yep.
Chomrong, excellent view.
Yeah.
We shop you like good food. We shop pizza
Yeah, that's
and dal bhat,
Food
everything.
taste was amazing. Yeah, we already tasted.
And then we do also shop some espresso coffee.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So we are starting our trek from this Chomrong to Dovan.
Right.
We are just going to Bamboo from Sinua.
2335 meters. We just reached Dovan.